beautiful people of Nigeria. This is me, Prince Osemige Ebade, the Obi Ebade Entertainment Man. God have directed me to use this music to advise the Abadabidi system of government and the government of by force in Nigeria. Say the cry when the citizens of Nigeria dey cry, the tear don do to suffer for heaven. The American carry paper and barrow now say wan come judge the government of by force in Nigeria. This Abadabidi system of government in Nigeria dey make almost half of our youth dey run interstate, where many of them go die for Mediterranean Sea, some of them die for desert, many of them die for captivity in Libya. This Abadabidi system of government, when I dey talk so, my brother and my sister make una lis ten to me. Electricity, our Nigerian citizens go pay for life of PHDC hand. Wetin dem go get na darkness. Make una see NDTC chairman that day when he don use our money to take do okowozowo, he don use our money take carry women finish. He come dey form faint say he dey faint when dem dey interview am. My brother never faint at all. Your judgment dey don reach down except una change for Abadabidi system of government to good governance for me. This our country Nigeria now for dey hear say some governors or some presidents dem go say after dem don rule 4 years one term finish dem go come dey beg our citizens of Nigeria say abeg una see vote for dem. Say if small pikin dey class e fail e dey repeat make dem for repeat. So una dey know say una dey fail us, una know say una dey fail us. God pass una my brother my sister. This Abadabidi system of government wey I dey talk so, our government dem go go here go borrow money, dem go go there go borrow money. I say e get one particular country now wey dey use corner eye take dey look our country. Say the money wey dem don borrow from dem don too much. Small time na dem say make dem bring the money back. If dem no come see, no be to bring their document wey dem just sign agreement. If na pay small money to am, e no go even know. Why dem no go borrow money? Why Nigeria government no go borrow money? When our legislators, House of Senate and Rep, dem go dey receive big money. Dem go receive big money. Their city money no be small thing. Wetin dem go dey do for chamber? See dem na sleep dem all of dem go dey sleep for bed. People wey say dem wan go dey represent the people of Nigeria. Since 1960 when Nigeria dey collect crude oil money, make una ask me wetin dem don use the money do. Education, make una see this class when the citizens of Nigeria for dey learn. Rain go fall, e go beat dem. Sun go shine, e go beat dem for inside class. This Abadabidi system of government in Nigeria make una change. I just still tell una again, God don carry paper and barrow when he wan come take judge una because God don tire for una. The major problem of Nigeria today na be INEC. The good citizens of Nigeria go vote for their candidates of their choice finish. Before they break, INEC go change the result. Employment for Nigeria, only once when immigration don come and say they wan do employment. So many people come out for interview, many people die. Till now as I'm talking to you, we no hear from immigration again. My people, God don warn all this Abadabidi system of government 2 times now. Number 1, na im be this COVID-19 coronavirus come, e put padlock, e lock the whole world. When come make the rich and the poor come, all of us come dey inside house, nobody fit move again. Number 2, na be this EndSARS, end bad government. When our youth start, when never too tey so, e pay me well well when some of this our bad government official come carry soldier wey no fit fight Boko Haram, dem come dey shoot our innocent youth for Lekki toll gate. Well, I send my sympathy to the family of those who lost their life. May the soul of those our great heroes rest in perfect peace. Amen. Oko, so e get one thing wey dey pay me for mind. I no too understand this thing. So this COVID-19 palliative item so, how na wan do am for? Una be wan dey package am, una come dey sell am for us again. Hell! God will never forgive you people. This our accountability system of government. We will never forgive you people. Hell! EFCC, e dey comparable say dem no dey give fish to rat may help person keep. Na only Nigeria I see say dem go give appointment to person wey dem know say na great looter. See our EFCC chairman now, all the whole money wey he drop, wey he say he go drop when people dey hold Nigeria, he don put am for your pocket. Hell, Nigeria, where we dey go? My great people of Nigeria, this is me once again, Obewale Entertainment Band. I don come use this music take advise our government of by force in Nigeria and our accountability system of government when dem dey operate for my great country, Nigeria. So if dem no lis ten to this my advice, na so I go sit down carry gouda or kill fish I take dey enjoy myself. I go dey see dem when dem dey jump enter hellfire, boy, like floor when dey jump from gutter to potopoto. God don say he don carry paper and biro wey he wan go take judge dem. Make una change or una face judgment. This is my message from Prince Osemide Ibade.